Now he's inside, set to go now, race number 1. Horses, we have Tumultuous, Precious Jewel moving up on the outside, the legend, Mr. Slim. Joining them now is Handog. Mr. Slim, the leader, Tumultuous, the legend, Handog is on the outside, Asikaso comes next, Director's Gold, then followed over on the outside by Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, Rochelle's Give, getting better, Precious Jewel running by Drella, is Don't Touch the Wine, Haring Benedict, and Invisible Girl is the early trailer. Now we have Tumultuous, the leader by on the leg. Mr. Slim is on the outside, the legend in third. Alongside Port Handog, Asikaso in fifth, Rochelle's given 6. Getting better in 7th, then in 8th, Director's Gold, Precious Jewel, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Don't Touch the Wine, Invisible Girl, and Haring Benedict. Now racing against Tumultuous once again is Mr. Slim on the outside. Mr. Slim, Tumultuous is running by Drella, racing in third, Asikaso. Here comes the legend, getting better, also coming closer in fifth. Tumultuous, Mr. Slim, battling out for the leader as they come to the last of the day. Tumultuous still in front. Mr. Slim is on the outside, getting better in third, but it's still Tumultuous by about 5 lengths over Mr. Slim. Entering the finish line, it's number 5, Tumultuous. Mr. Slim, getting better, the legend. Then comes Asikaso, Don't Touch the Wine.
Para po dito sa ating unang karera bayang turista, ang ating unofficial winner dito, the favorite 5 horse, Tumultuous, nasa segundo 10 horse, Mr. Slim, numero 6, Getting Better, numero 8, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, numero 4, Asikaso at 7.